Okay, apa status kereta ni?
Okay, the owner arrived
Ah.
and they request for Enduro Stage 1.
Okay, jalan, proceed.
Upon finishing, dia nak buat gearbox repairs dengan Prestige.
Gearbox repair. So, dia nak kita clean the car dulu and send to Prestige lah.
Yes, that
Why
is
don't we
correct.
give Prestige to do the gearbox first?
Tapi dia kata ada urgency sikit on the rear seat.
What happened?
As you can see on the rear
Oh my
seat,
god.
as you can see on the rear seat ni, dia punya anjing ada muntah sikit, especially particularly on this area here.
Okay.
Lepas tu ada kena sikit on the carpet this area, so ada macam slight more build up sikit.
Oh, okay.
So dia punya urgency is this area sajalah.
Okay, so you need to advise him that at a very minimum, the carpet this rear section of the carpet kena buat carpet extraction cleaning.
Okay.
Because if not, because vomit vomit went inside already. Have to clear all that. So kita so in that case I understand why first. Okay, so apa yang kita buat dulu is clean the carpet, clean the seats. Okay. Then after once all the stains are properly removed, then we release the car to Prestige to do the dia orang punya mechanical works. Then after that we advise the customer, once Prestige is done, we will take the car back and we do the we will finish up the cleaning lah. But right now you kena buang all the kesan muntah dulu lah.
Okay. So kiranya timeline dia kita habiskan belakang ni dulu.
Yes.
Release kat Prestige.
Yes.
And then baru the rest.
Yeah, in fact when you do the rear seats you don't even need to do the leather conditioner dulu.
Okay.
Just clean first. When the car come back, then we condition the leather all one shot. Because he took the full Enduro Stage 1 package kan?
Betul.
We do the conditioning after Prestige is done, because I'm sure at the workshop level there will be some dirtying of the interior here and there one. So what we do is we leave it towards the end as much as possible to do the finishing touches.
Alright.
Okay? Belakangnya ada apa kan?
I ada check sikit tadi, tapi nothing of note lah.
Okay lah. Okay. So yeah, carpet, seats.
Okay.
Anything else? Any other areas he raised concern or not?
Cuma ada dekat area-area ni je lah, the small nooks and crannies kena bersihkan sikit lah.
Yeah, okay.
Tu je lah.
Okay, check the door pockets also, because I tengok the door pocket here pun sangat kotor lah. Boot okay lah? Kena vacuum je lah boot tu. Tapi this one can wait lah after Prestige release the car back to us. Yang penting tu the interior, sebab just now when we went inside ada smell. So we have to get rid of the smell. How long do you think you guys need for the interior?
Kalau belakang tu saja, I think half a day dah boleh siap dah.
Okay.
Lepas tu kita kena release dekat Prestige lah. Prestige tu I tak boleh nak yanggah lah.
Prestige is not for us to estimate. We estimate how much time that we need so that we can advise the owner. Okay, so tomorrow this car is going out to the paint shop. E34 boleh release belum?
E34 tinggal tire wax saja.
So besok boleh release lah.
Besok dah boleh release.
Okay. So this one. Okay, good. Thomas had too much fun with this car on the track, so we cleared the thing already lah. Tadi all this was the tar kan, so we managed to clear this. Okay, that's good. Alright.